Hello and welcome to the video today, everybody. We are going to be looking at the Toshiba toaster oven, and this thing rocks. So we're going to make some bread and see how well it performs. It's my little bread test because I love bread in the morning. So having a toaster oven like this is very important to me. So let's get right into the video and see how it performs. So some quick dimensions for you. The Toshiba toaster oven is 18 by 15 by 10 and it features 1500 watts. So it's very powerful. It also comes with some extras such as a baking sheet, some hangers, and a pole for a chicken if you wanted to make some rotisserie. It also comes with this instruction manual. So overall, you get a toaster oven and some goodies. Now enough talk, let's put the bread in and see how it performs. So let's open it up like this, and as you can see, there's a nice rack that you can move up here or down here, and let's put the bread in. So we'll do one slice right here in the middle and one more right here on the side. Close that up and we're ready to go. Okay, so I just plugged it in and let's take a look at the control panel. So this right here is the control panel, and as I mentioned before, there's 10 different preset settings. So as you can see, we are on toast and this is what we want, but I'm gonna just show you some other settings. So if we turn this function knob right here, we can go to bake with the time and the temperature, broil, pizza, cookies, defrost, reheat, rotisserie, keep warm, and convection. So a lot of different modes to choose from with their own presets. So, and let's just say if you did want to do bake, you can change the temperature using this knob right here and change the time using this knob down here. And it's really nice. They really thought about the consumer in mind when they use these knobs, because changing it is very simple, and it has this kind of haptic feedback that I feel like every time I turn the knob, there's a little clicking sound. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's very faint, but it just makes me feel like I have more control when I do this. So enough about that. Let's go back to toast. And as you can see up here, it says light and dark, and you can use the temperature knob to change how dark or light the toast is. So I'm gonna try on the darker side and let's see how it goes. Then they have the slice number. So this is to really gauge the temperature that's coming out of the oven. So we're gonna do 2 slices because that's how we put in, but it can go up to 6 slices, which that's a lot in this little guy. So let's do 2 slices, and the last step is just to click start. And right away, it shows us the temperature that they're gonna be toasted at and the time. So while these are being toasted, I wanna point out a couple other things. Right here on the left and right side, you can see that it tells you where the optimal place is for the actual rack itself. So right here is toast, and that's why I put it on this rack. But if I wanted to do something like a bake, a roast, or a reheat, I would move the baking rack down a little bit, and that would provide optimal temperature and optimal coverage for whatever I'm making. One more thing I wanted to point out while this is at its last minute of toasting is that the Toshiba toaster oven is actually a convection oven as well. So as you can see on the bottom, these red light strips right here are being illuminated from the heat, and on the top, they're also being illuminated from the heat. So convection means from the top and the bottom, this is being heated. And this is great for making evenly cooked stuff like chicken for the rotisserie, or even toast like this. Both sides will be equally toasted. So there we go, those 3 beeps let us know that it's done. The heat bar is starting to go down, meaning it's safe to open it up and take a look at our toast. Okay, so the toast is now done. I've got it out of the Toshiba toaster oven, and now it's toast review time. So here is one of the slices. As you can see, it has that kind of yellowish coloration here, showing that it's crispy. Here's the back side. We've got a little more right here. So just in my hand, this feels really nice, and I'm gonna give you a little squeeze so we can hear the crispiness. Oh yeah, that's good. That's really good. And then I'm gonna break it in half right here so you can hear that as well. That's perfect. And the inside is nice and warm, yet still kind of fluffy. And so you saw that darkness level, right? So I could go darker if I wanted to, but for me, this is perfect. So I'm gonna spread some hummus and pesto on here, and I'm gonna enjoy this. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. This has been the Toshiba toaster oven. It can do a lot more than cook just toast. So I'm really excited to keep using this thing. So definitely check it out, and have a wonderful day.